KUMASI ABRANTE3, KUMASI ABRANTE3, Mina mi bano, Mentum batambe diaguro mi dini mi unanso.
Yeah, okay, sir. We're connecting on fan one with the phone. I didn't my ministers for me and them. My fashion a call no crying and I won't fear what you
yeah. You see, my boss appoints now, one thing is Nipana America, I say, sir, I'm going to do no, say Ghana and Kasano. Government no shares. Yeah, so ministers no be money ade. Do you get it? And some of mama quite near the room. I actually say land no soon. There's a farm no soon kasa. What am I say? So all farmers so pennies. I said there maybe person me man there. Unless I just would treat you like a can crabby.
I'm not finding discussing.
Any problem?
Debbie, on this card.
Because
then sick and I said,
I see. Because our points when you are engaged so big. Engaged so big.
Because no card me kind energy was all the same car. I'm one finding many being young when I am caught in collaboration. I say, sick and
we then send her in your
so no one run. No, sir, or a business appointee with it.
Okay.
Tuning in a say what's in a face up.
Any problem. So what the manager says, I would like to meet him. Because I say yin to me nana any new como bakumi no be. What I say? I unpack kakrebi ma nkofobi na yenhwe embo kwanto because this opportunity we there enya wan kan me memfama no. Trust me because omo ya no mo pe omo tai koko Western region hono also Western region for mutumi yam be fool.
I'm for the so.
Oh yeah, how else can I know sir so? I know sir so. Into no they don't worry my mention. I mention one of these days you better na yam meeting.
Oh no, so what's KUMASI ABRANTE3 na but we need to pack into show so links.
Ah, what's you? Yeah. Yeah, you see that compound. Yeah. So, yeah. So this side, yeah, we feel do ground for this side. But now my plans be say I will do external garage for this place. See this place. Yeah, but if you use this place too, we'll go inside and see. Oh, check the view. You see the areas. Yeah, very nice place. So this is your home. Yeah, this is your very huge wall. Yeah, so this is the staircase to the top. This is your kitchen. We get washroom for here. Yeah, this is the dining place. Yeah, you see our Nice one. Yeah. You see how the project go? Yeah, they go on. So once you are getting there, I don't finish. I don't finish. The last small things be paid, then we will finish. Yeah. So how we go do it? Oh, check like the pictures that I sent you already. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, that nice compound. Very huge one.
Oh, my baby, oh, okay. Me unso ma bondu ya na wi. Who dey payments no? I can be deliver with sheet na ma. Why? Don't worry. Governor is on. Okay. Mati. No, oh, dan do my idea, what she dan come. Let me catch us and go for no moon majumai. Mati, but hanu say na funti so pay guys number do hanu say no. Yes, I will be quite my machine. Mati. Do the order your payment? No, we have try you know you first send me why okay Mate ti be show him why a cham e be do am bye
penifo se ye nim no enu nti na ye bisa na monan krisia no enu nsen
Abrante na make us a mission. From for him of fancy. Masa Abrante, show you on the number. So by the common minister,
Abrante mama kwa ba ni rikan
Yeah, papa.
ne twa so ne se penifo bu baby se kako e jini kwakura nu eno kre se me mo fasi ani mbedi me men ho nkomo na sebi na e wo se medi mani hu na ebi ana ne obeka chem ne ntesa na me tiefi wa wanu mu a ne me hu se anamo a me betu no ya anamompa ena ne a me wo fasi be kan so enye ntro nti mo ba ya me hade boko
Okay. Papa, wait a minute, I said. Yeah, Mukre, Abaya, America Crane and Michiano, and I think, returning from the state, I think, 8 months ago, so maybe, you know, by 2 or, 2 months and Michiano, and my friend never want to do on, I think, say, or your papa, so me decided it's a family, in between them all. So, I'm on Muna. No, mommy who say never farm. There's the kind of farmer where or huge I'm a fool, yeah, so we decided so okay fine. Mention I've been working with Ghana ministers and whites be brave. Maybe more year and wa be more year and go and why free abroad bring fighter and all that no. Me know me na yeguma. So I kind of okay fine if no of our search farm there, I think it's a big opportunity because me buy a crano, my tutuka western region side where I pay, sir, and my phone be nayato at the eye ejuma. I thought it was okay fine then. On non discussing if say chance no ho dia and come baby who na yakasa. Na she. Yeah, we many ministers be brain ejuma. So kasa obeton a only problem. A bema huge amount of money. Huge amount of money. Because I know been on day yes, Samana and then never been to know. And before the if it say Kumasi in our crown only problem. The Hiana son baby who number be soon. And I know some kind of 5 will be a sika. $250. 5 will be a sika.
saying
Yes. In the 5 basically $250.
no yes
$250, you know. May let's say it's almost 3,000, which is 30 million. Yeah.
30 million.
Yes, and may 5. Yeah, 5 basically 30 million. Yeah. So yeah, I say you nim how Obaneka say esuno, you nim dodo no. But if you are one kasa kwaya wa then the bia be hu dodo no. It is a tuma. Na kam ne ministers na kodi hu nkomo. Ene me nkofo na kodi hu nkomo abrofo no. Na afi ya hwe. Se if se beba na ebesusu. Na ya tonya muska na ya tumme no ne ndi abana wose na di akoye di esese di ya. Tene one me kaza na so okay fine. Se if sa na tiada me mboshi na memba. Although me wa kwentu bitu. Oko western region ho de. Na me mehwe hawa. Esiti no ntina my Bible no bi.
I say me teach keke yan we segu me sa.
Papa me ka so do osia na.
I go be dim say.
Papa o hewe nu kra no. Akoye sei no. Oba ni nti. Metuni ama saa 5 posts for saa $250 no. O mai na $300 no.
Oh yeah ma dia to so mate. What can say? Sebi ye nyina kra ni mu.
Ntutun kra no.
Kra ni. Enti sebi mi yiri su ni ho.
Okay.
Oba me de betu na nim.
Okay.
Na ni omu bia no. Me nche ho kra no. Am waso ate.
Pacha mate.
Nti mire no du ho a. E me ofase na abefrew.
Pacha mate.
Na ni ohu bia no. Ya ye.
Pacha mate.
Ye nyan sha se kra me de wase.
Oh papa. That's it.
You. I feel like I can't.
And one more thing is, when you meet delay, you are free to deal with me because I'm from the royal family.
Oh.
Yeah, me wa fane asokra point and another bra. And I also fane Kura. And me only me delay, it is only if you nipa na delay, only problem kura.
Mama.
Yeah.
Mate.
That's a
Na enche na mefro.
Pacho.
Nti Madam Wasisa Mobaye na ne ewu bia na chire no.
Afa we dey asempa so Yoruba no ka so mpene mane mbo.
Nkasa. Nkasa.
The one say minim de otimi ye waye bida.
Jai.
Kumasi Abranti.
If you want to say.
So far, everything is okay. It's just that I think Atonsu Turkish doors. I think the main faults. I'm about 3 behind.
If we supplier,
yeah,
and I handling no one.
Nah, I will free supplier because how no music can. And I'm surprised. I am shut down Jew Mundi. Obi okro bit me ato ade ne de akọ.
Nana yaw. Obeya me buofu. Me ka che say Turkish visa e ho nya de. Wa akọ Turkey wo. Factory ho mu load e wugina ho. What so? Kono so ko fa ba. Ti say 14 him. Ono enfa ne ho. What is preventing you from traveling?
Many a friends factory no akasa no ma akasa almost say bit me at the about. Omo de enoma eba e bit me aside the mom. Any problem bia. And I think the many guy do akra na otumi repair sa fault no so many on so do.
And to say I don't know a ye shrey from factory and I'm from home. Me pacho. Me my brother na me build me business up to where me hand it over to you. Oba besia me too kwan 2 times in a week. Me ko Turkey. Me return the next day. Ma baba home me one day ma start na play mo sa ko China.
You see, it's part of the business. Maybe you should take it cool and you can say my have a break.
That's what guess know you're okay with them.
Oh yeah, they are okay.
I want to make a say if I introduce you to them say, oh yeah, my husband that they will give you the needed respect.
More respecting it.
I'm a foul normal so be out did me chebi oh yeah me just ordinary worker be.
Kumasi Abranti. Mina mi bano. Mentu mat.
Ana me na be busa me. Masa, pani mo pani o. Obrefo nto obrefo ade o. Mani ate. So ani ate. Mani abu. So ani abie. Unim ka na me nim ka. Ina be dwe pa. So ati nkomo na se. O ti Kumasi fi e be ka che so hwe akwa kaka bia tudum na me nipa tuntum kase o ti Kumasi e we ba ko pe. Agolo samo zan la ni samo sabi nyama ni mani na ho na me bag bo machi na obi de machi ho no ate kombo a. Eh, me yenwa mi wate.
Senior wadawo mani able pa me so bo am. Mani able pa. Mani able me hwehwe no wadawo.
Wo ha woni sei na wusu. Nipa be no. Nipa be na wo hwehwe no. Ya wote sei e de na asie, e de na adwen.
Masa pacho wa yin tie bi na owa bodu se tuntum kese bisa.
Agolo,
tuntum kese bisa.
o pesa do adwi bi ti me. Emfa o.
Oh senior.
Iti wa woto abo ba bi abo iden, to ba se wonim Kumasi. Ya me na babusa me. Me hashtag guy o. Abes park na mete. Pani en wo pani. Agolo. Eh, emfa ma. Ah.
Senior wadawo ma. Pacho hwa ade ma me wa.
Me do na me na me bo force bo. Why? Obodam. What's that ko am tutum ko ase. What I know what chabni fi kan.
Senior me nimu no. Senior me sa wadawo.
Me nya kokora. What is say?
Senior wadawo ma. Me nimu no.
Who nimu no na ne fo na peta da fo.
Senior wa twi master di me nimu no.
Master no.
Master Kumasi.
Kumasi ofini.
Kumasi do tonton cars no.
Kumasi ankra.
Ankra ono a.
De waji di wa ko.
Pacho ono a. Michael Kono.
Then I saw your kakam.
Senior ono a.
Ade e dey ho no to be say Kumasi me sin na ati.
Senior me so ba ho say ni padi bi wo inside out cars here there ba so you say me boss so cars are no there
Mr. Twese me me say cars
yeah ana so o ni pa de cars ni bi there e be bantam there there e di ama no oyin ni kan bibia wie ana o boss kan di na dis kan here there e ma no director me si be si sabli hu akwa ni bi director ye izo ama master ko hu de onye ye ize kura boss ye ize twie di kura we twie di kura you but I twie sa hu be bia kumasi se hu be bia me fa
I think say me no one common enemy ogolo
senior
ekoya kwa we say di ma fa so no ye fa di Papa J ni di pa no on nam say fa di Kumasi Abrante ni di pa di Papa J no na
senior me say sika wa chese wa jimi
Misew, me dia me na ten fe ba kokora pen. Oh, na so gidi e makuntura ya se quintiment ma fa de number. Picture ko me na nka bi. Misew. Ahe na wote sisi a.
Senior me mete Santase.
Santase fine.
Santase du station wa. Ahwa na mti.
Ni modin be.
We do wo so hwe bi a spiritual be hu mi.
Spiritual. Wuni mu hu mo.
Oh,
ba jo ma mo na ba spiritual. Misew. We de ma mo number. Thank you. Hwɛ. Yɛn nyɛ bɛpɛ no.
tisini.
Sɛ wonya na sɛ mo so ni mu a, mo ma mente.
Ma tisini.
Sɛ mo kyere na sɛ ma mfrɛ ma me ma na mo gidi mo gidi mo sɛ mo gya bɛ me yapa mo bere nyame.
Oh senior.
Sa na me so sɛ me hunu a. Na me so ni mu a. Me sɛ me frɛ ma mo so mo na bedi. No. Dwuma ko we sɛ di mi yɛ no, kyɛ sɛ wo bu me kwa sɛ ase o yele ma no yele me to. No officer azan bibi wom. Oh wiase, o say wiase small word. Oh. O say wiase small word. Wiase na e da ho no. Sabi unyini ya ensa kwatia. Se unyini ya ensa kwatia. Ana baba ne yebo no obi enko contract you. So wa ne ya yensi wabo. Da bi ensi. Eyese nipa be ye. Obi enko na azan na de babra. Bible say the open ho anya. Ne wa pen ne kwa so no. O say ko kwari de obi to kosu anya dai. Anya ne dia so. Obabu so ma ni wura besesa. Wonam kroma konko wona wonam na nsema kasesam ana na me ka che obi ma ho bi pen akọ bi sa akasesam sa he de wonim no ozan kofo ene ono akọ mi se ono ani ge akwa sa be kwan wode ko ma nyanko be ma ne da hotel aso na wale no ye wo no wie no jimi nya ho maso nti wode ma post picture aboa na ka se da fom agoro me so me saka no me frɛ
Senior. Mate.
Me saka na me frɛ what
Mate.
me srɛ
Mate pa.
me saka na me frɛ
Mate pa na kwa de senior nya easy.
bro wo hunu na wan frɛ me a wo bla nyame
Oh senior.
agoro
Senior nkasa.
se ko ba sa me hyewa me no ye de ba yia obi busa na akyerem wote
Senior nkasa. Me sa so ni mu a.
ye fa ni Papa J edi ba na de ba
O te fa ni Kumasi Abrante.
bodam ketia ko ketia ke wa bodam papa wa bodam se Kumasi Abrante Kumasi Abrante ba na yaza Kumasi Abrante sebe